Xiamen Bestwishes Import&Export Co. Limited is located in Xiamen City. We are a professional enterprise specializing in the research, development, production, and sales of UV resin, epoxy resin, pigment, silicone putty, 3D printing resins, and other products. Covering an area of over 3,000 square meters, we provide professional bonding solutions for various industries. Our products are widely used in electronic information sectors, including intelligent security equipment, artificial intelligence, and digital products, as well as in crafts, nail art, toys, furniture and lighting, 3D printing, and other industries. We adhere to a business philosophy based on honesty and pragmatism, with a focus on putting customers first, fostering mutual benefit and win-win situations, and encouraging common development. We constantly innovate and strive to offer our customers high-quality products and services. To build a reputable brand in the adhesive industry, we are eager to collaborate with you to achieve a prosperous future together. We are willing to work hand in hand with you to achieve a win-win future.